If you recall that the coal scam really rocked the UPA government. In fact, the Supreme Court had decided it would look at those coal block allocations today. 218 allocations that were being questioned. Out of them, the Supreme Court has actually said that 4 are okay, but the remaining 214 stand cancelled. Now, on the 25th of August, of course, this was a landmark verdict where the court had said that the license for all coal blocks issued by successive governments since 1994 were illegal because the transparent process for those bids was not followed. Now, this is of course backdated allegations to July 14th, 1993 based on recommendations made there by the screening committee. We seem to have that audio back up.
Let him continue, yaar.
ये 6 महीने तक जो अलॉटीज है 6 महीने तक काम कर सकेंगे। 31 मार्च 2015 को ये काम अपना बंद कर देंगे और जो काम कर रहे हैं या जिनके पुराने जो चालू थे सबको 295 रुपए पर टन देना पड़ेगा जिस दिन से इन्होंने कोयला निकाला और जिस दिन तक निकालेंगे। तो समझिए पुराना जो भी है 10 साल 5 साल जिसका भी जो है अप टू 31 मार्च 2015 तक का जुर्माना 295 रुपए देना पड़ेगा। और ये भी केंद्र सरकार ने सजेस्ट किया था CAG की रिपोर्ट पे कि भाई ये अमूमन नुकसान नजर आता है, ये कोर्ट ने एक्सेप्ट करा है और ये भी कंडीशन कोर्ट ने लगाई।
सर अब बाकी अब क्या करेंगे इसमें? क्या ऑप्शन होगा इनका?
नॉट वरीड अबाउट द लूमिंग पावर प्राइसेस इन द फेस ऑफ ऑल दीस वाइडस्प्रेड कैंसलेशंस।
The court has given judgment today. It has accepted the stand of the government of India that if all the coal blocks which are cancelled, the government will be in a position to move forward. Now, the court has cancelled all allocations except 4. So 4 remain out of 218, and those 4 are 2 belong to an ultra mega power project in the state of Madhya Pradesh. So those were in any case not a part of the judgment, but they have been clarified that they are not affected. The 2 which have been saved by the Supreme Court is one belonging to NTPC and one belonging to SAIL. Both are central government companies and therefore they are the only companies which have been saved. The court has said that 6 months time is given to all allocatees, including these 46, that they will carry on with coal exploitation till 31st March 2015, so that within 6 months they also put their affairs in order and the central government gets also equipped to carry on after 31st March, maybe by telling CIL, that is Coal India.
We seem to have trouble with that audio line. My colleague Arunachalam Vaidyanathan now joins us from the courts. Vaidyanathan, very critical point that he's made. The 4 coal blocks that the allotments of which have been upheld all belong to public sector undertakings.
Exactly. In fact, Supreme Court in a judgment today accepted the centre's contention, and the judgment clearly indicated and noted, saying that Attorney General Mr. Mukul Rohatgi said that government is prepared for anything. If the cancellation is done, give us some breathing time so that Coal India can take over. Sometime they wanted, but they said that they're well aware of the economic situations as well as the power situation also, but the centre wanted all cancellation of the blocks. So accepting that, Supreme Court today cancelled all but 4. So these 4 blocks, as Mr. Mukul Rohatgi, Attorney General, explained, 2 belonging to ultra mega power projects in Madhya Pradesh, 1 belongs to SAIL, other to NTPC. So the rest all are cancelled, but it can't be stopping operations right now. 6 months time has been given to all these coal blocks. So up to March 31st they can operate. But another interesting point is all the coal blocks which has been cancelled will have to pay 295 rupees per ton for the coal extracted till now to the government. So this price, 295 rupees, has been fixed by the CAG in its report on the coal block scam. So now this, of course, whatever centre wanted, it has been given, but for the coal companies opposed it completely. But Supreme Court did not accept the coal companies' argument, saying that huge investment has been made, they should be spared, and some committee should be appointed so that they can hear individual companies. That has been rejected.